a strategical team and the communication team. The strategy we developed was inbuilt.
Okay.
Ofi. Then once we do those things,
but you are not what many geometry now more why? Said the bear will be able to see.
So once we realize that tactical team need to miss.
Okay.
So these are the two things.
The more the data no.
Yes.
More strategy.
Yes.
And I'm much say yeah the way because based on data and the ehunti. I was seeing communication. I was seeing within what campaign structure.
Good. So a be fahano. A be for communication side. Maybe for tactical musifom. Maybe share demo yejuma. So I don't they need ba together to bring that win. So everybody in one way or the other no yejuma den say win no. Everybody. Now one of the things that are very interesting is this election. And even NDC phone can call it for win. When you see about say people were calling, baby, and I can't call untimi NDC na phone pino. You call now your platform. Yes, I say boy your man. Na boy NDC people come out and come and listen to the message. That was a true indicator. Say things were going to change. So I was sometimes confused when measure them my analysis now. MP before in studio say. I was is it political gimmick? And I say I go no moody because everything was so clear that the winning was coming. So fast forward no, when elections were closed, we have to also set up a coalition team. Where because election, if you are not why are you very critical, but you lose election because of maybe why are you prepared. So the coalition team also looking at performing election directorates, the research directorates, combining with polling station, what's the name? Executive and polling station agents. Umunya so bad together. And she shared the mom say
more line will be say results no ready.
Good.
Channel win amode fa. Na drew her. But before say we drew her no. Results are part within the region. Now you're surprised, Anna.
Oh, you movie. Me and surprise.
Okay.
Because so I had there. I had your TV and the guys can show some evidence. We analysis be around 2024 around August.
And no, I say sure a bit my show. I mean, you're live on Facebook.
Okay. And I hear safe seats. Winnable seat and a marginal increase of 3,000 constituency seats and a marginal increase of less than 2,000. These are the four factors. Into safe seats, no, it means that seat are in say there. And
the other
the area, which is as one say a draw, New York say, and in that analysis,
perfect 100%.
Winnable seats, that is the new ones are it beats me a pecky. You can offense north. But you have here offense north. I have one north. A crofum. A dancer sukwa. Obuasi east. I have one no southeast.
Okay.
6.
And winnable seats.
Winnable seats.
Based on what?
Good. So say me kind no. On the before elections, which is the strategical work. And you form acquire the operational or the statistical work. Udru na only be nkofo kasa. Example to say Adanso Asukwa. KT Amon ho. If you talk to the people on ground, people didn't want to vote for KT Amon. No person talk about KT Amon. They didn't want
even no more party for.
Yes.
NPP for. But no more ready some trouble.
Because almost say KTM this war for 20 years counting. Onya de Pebiama and
okay.
So once MPP ni isi ni book kase men to about mama MP. It means that the probability on to about the president is so high because they are in tandem. So you realize that Adansi Asukwano, we had a fine gentleman, Godwin, PC at that time, that he's going to win. You call rounds, the whole 2 days. Campaign on several communities, it showed clearly that there'll be a win. Inti, sa constituency na winnable, no? Almost the same one, but so here, Afano, but you can recall the margin.
Afano no emiensa. Afano north, Afano south, southwest. Okay, Tepa na okay.
So here, the difference was not that big. Offensive north.
Yeah.
The same thing, the difference was not that big. And baby I sent me Obuasi East. I really any problem by say court.
And say Afano southwest, the man fan kan okra. Man fan kan so ankan.
Yes. Afano southwest marginal increase votes in.
Okay. Then what the third category?
The third category.
Okay.
But the winnable seat, out of 6 near state here, at least Akrofom, you had the seat. Adansi Asukwa, you had the seat. And I have Afano south
east. More winning.
Out of that 6.
The 3 na canon and 9 so be hono.
Oba marginal increase Obuasi west, if you just Kwabre north, Afano southwest, Asante Achem south, and Achumampunia. And also so 5. And it's all here. So if you have the data here, you can see that we pulled Obuasi west for example, we pulled more than 3,000 votes addition. Afija Kwabre, the gap closed. Afano southwest. So we no problem bahun.
Yeah.
Very, very close. Asante Achem south, we pushed. Achuma Mpunia, very, very close. So once you have this data, I ran it all the sequence, no. Yeah, former Juma, we knew categorically say these constituencies we can make a difference, and therefore we have to target and campaign. And all the 47 constituencies, no, you see from after doing the homework, as a strategical homework, no, you see from Juma, the impact was so clear when we are even collating. I'm in charge of coalition or the region.
Oh, okay.
Which is led by the regional minister, secretary. Compare. So when the results was coming, results neighbor no. With me,
Charlie research because research the actual
some of us within the next 6 to 8 hours, it was interesting. Say things were going as so by 12 a.m. and then some of us knew that we are born. Just that we are just waiting for confirmation. And this time our collation too was technological. Once it comes, about the votes were increasing.
Now, my transmitted the call at the call national.
So wow, everything was perfect.
Wow.
So I want to make us to buttress the point. Say we have come to the point. You cannot go into elections without data, without research.
That is that one. I mean, the likes of Musa Dan Kwanum,
yes,
are relevant in our elections because whatever projection on the banner, we a political party also find it serious.
So I have Musa Dan Kwa projections you say me no because be am who are at mu.
Yes, I mean to some extent. Yes. Onyano.
Normal won't mean nyano because it's a model. Won't mean nyano say because 10 and 10.
Yeah.
But you have to give it a range of error.
We are
dealing with
statistics.
So Oshe ni ya many J how our elections echo because now won't mean can sembia kujina public and can sembia and found this what can them to influence the voter. No.
Okay, so in doing so, no, abayana ba.
Good.
Yansha period, no. Moto abawi no research madwuma si ana so da moda so eye annual research. Ehun say aban policies no amanfo ne gitum influence amanfo thinking. Amanfo obi ana obi a oye undecided. Oye floating voter no or ba besteke ana so woko ana. Are you able to do that within the period? 1 year no more. How is it going?
About 1 year, and some of us we are still doing the party work because we don't have an appointment. We are still doing the party work.
Yeah.
enko baby. So day in day out, we run internal research and out research. Internal research is within the party. Then a COSO our party as far as party members are concerned. And then a COSO in general or Asante region as far as the citizenry are concerned. So Osha day in day out, we try as much as possible. Say you be call out. Maybe say for example, I always say picking data is normally any difficult, sir. Maybe time to not private care. So we'll be on biano. Me penentema na mfa uba. They be am teachroom.
Okay.
You can pick data or teachroom because meet my cars and be I'll instigate a conversation. Now within the transport, and I can't Ubekasa. Oh, abai de obai kwan why am na efe. No be ajeso. Oh, obai why there but and no una umbisa nipa no question no.
I'm but no more this.
Ono no openly. Din komo. Into once I din komo no, you can pick information from there. If there are issues that you need to tackle, you call Obefre ama relevance information I said the public no research now the man paying for Emma won't capitalize on it, pick it to national. So if problem be our no they are solved. So they
internal publish it. Say they
no
Musa Dankwa no money ade no no
you got normally intelligence.
Okay.
So
you inform the policy makers say mo shade direction way because man for who say we na so.
But sometimes when it becomes relevant, say no really say making it clear, which I will speak on one to see we will make it clear. Now, so the man can break. It's open. Say 1 year, yeah. If you want to rate it, I can say we can give ourselves, let's say 85%.
In the Ashanti and I say
broadly.
Okay.
Broadly. But one of the things that people are calling out for is jobs. And you cannot based
on my research, I'm gonna confirm
say yes. The job is supposed to be created. They say a binary a creative job, especially moving into 2026, 2027. Youth and adults. You cannot blame the government because universities are springing up new programs. Population is increasing in focus school. So you can't put all the blame in the NDC government or buy 1 year on a creative business. But it's an encouragement. Say, creative jobs. And we should create decent and sustaining jobs. What the pressure see so and how the pressure see so they go and create jobs are any sustainable. I don't know they comes and bite me. Nipa neji akutwa 1 2 3 krana enko bebia. So we should find a way, and one of the ways to do that is within the agri sector.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ghana Hano, the agri sector is one of the areas a bit to me I try as much as possible to create the jobs and sustainable ones. Because within the normally agri supply chain. I'm a procurement supply chain logistics lecturer. Okay, agri sector within the end to end of the agri sector now, we almost have every resource that we need. From the crop, even let's take crop, where would be abe harvesting. We are around some West African countries. They need some of our commodities. We have to find a more strategical way. See bit inputting more within the agri sector. No, now they are quite Sa no many nya be boy. Ama the here no within your job creation no aba. Ebio party na nkasa no people are also crying for jobs. The job ne there outside within and outside.
Party for no nkasa
peduma and there. Inti say omo omanya party positions.
Akoma
I'm gonna try as much as possible. Say, I'm gonna come.
I'm gonna share party for.
I'm gonna party for. Now I'm gonna do. Obianka say first cabin bottom, but just create the environment. On this bit many be. NDC here will be because next 4 years won't mean can't you be say. Adwuma here no. Onya some fast onya adwuma so pe adwuma onya adwuma. Also make campaign. The motivation no.
I see. And seats are more winning, you know. Young can save seats, no, but you can't the number ones are mutimi a winning 3 no, out of the 6. How consistent then I'm a researcher share the performance of the MPs or those constituencies.
Oh, okay. So personally menya feed kakra bi or some. And you be with my kind of ones.
Yeah, oh no, I know say be high internal, but
and you be
I mean,
the
kakra bit me near share I mean,
yes, so
that's fine.
You feed kakra. Actually say some few what's the name? MPs. Let's say so 1 or 2 MPs. Some more back it out like more
visible nah. Is it that?
See, sometimes you say I any visibility, but I could say Akoma do
87.9 Kumasi.
Yamo aduane kakra say je na di. Na aduane no enso. Fine aduane when you be adi but enso. What you say? When you be adi but enso. So the reality and say change in the buy no. The aspirations on Kofuanya no.
Yeah.
Within that change, you know, was so satisfying Obiano, very difficult. So in a constituency, or Asante region, or MP. See, that was OT. Or DC and our MC. What's our president? All the ministerial people within your government, no. They expect you to do more. And once they expect you to do more, no, and sometimes they problems about no. But I know that it's only 1 year. We have 3 more years.
Okay, I see.
So we are stating categorically and advising even DCs for maybe any MCs for them. Say they should also as much as possible. And Kai said, I had 4 years mandate. It's not as if and a 1 year could 3 years. And I mean in fact the last year 2028 because me say more of 3 years. Because normally here I say call our day so okay ade be chia mo di our day na ho process ade be chi so since that time untimi kan sa ade nka ho so the same thing call elections are so year no or middle of that year need 2 elections now normally no pressure no too much do we be ana is not based on some relevant actions.
I see.
Yeah, bonfire say Ubia any no. You are from there as a government person. Now in Kenya.
I see Dr. Elvis Koka and I need aiding common na I mean her Facebook a crack comment. Emmanuel say righteous from SY. As this is very educative morning show and my boss is doing very good work. Kaichire Edukofi. I say I love how you join the masses without thinking. You were condescending. Okay. I say good submission by Dr. Elvis Koka. Oh, I see. Incoming. I don't who incoming be oh. Before my body will be a Sandy Abano. Who incoming be oh. I don't even know. Hey. Who incoming be oh. No, dog, no. I mean, I say, I see. Hey.
Oh, incoming.
No, you see, maybe I say, Anzana Makandi, a Victor Kawahano. Also, good submission by Dr. Elvis Koka. Incoming Ashanti Regional Secretary for the NDC.
Okay. I know about my boss. What left me or the Marcos?
No, but what he had any and send one can who the episode. And the doctor, somebody feel the campaign. Academia for no. Hey, yo, I see. Oh, after Stephen Crown so they back home.
Then you see, it's good.
No, but what like is it something I will
You see,
what plan is up so yeah now?
you see, one thing in politics is that maybe free, your work have to show and give you that remark. Until you man there, so now you need they will push you high. Some catch will say the research directorate is under the secretary. So if people think that it's time for me to move to secretary, why not? We are there to work as
and the Grofo, the more come on. There be no. Obi natural hana mi busano. Or come here or as or kai or person say as obi na piano how Facebook can be piano de nako. Eh ade awadwene ho am yehu.
Oh, let me say who's that as
someone here yo. Baby ati betra mum ne ka de o kan gum. Betra na ka de o kan gum microphone.
Yo. Me say oko. Me nim no but information I me so me nam na me chini. It is capable of oko and on to mean can direct because I won't say I don't know process.
No, don't come out.
Oh, or kind we lecturer also can seminar also to me who say but number so can say yes or no. One can yes, but the system shows that he is going.
You. Hey.
That's
what campaign a team na me kwamenti. Hey. Oh, I see. Now so it means that now okay, also boss. Now also boss. At the regiment is that if you are coming, so about all maybe you wanna.
Oh, he's not a regional minister.
Oh, but see to say na Nkrofo can say Onyanto ho ntie bia no besa oba kwate.
Oh, so after say oh here calendar na Africa na ba. So there will be branch elections, constituency elections, and regional and national. Until I think your elections, regional elections is around November.
I'm told.
Until your branch when you into aspirations beyond and to was you have to be calculative. And to was oh so be episode couldn't ma babum. Unless it be sorry to say but let me tell you present
and yeah
me to na me dwen ho who say we do hon kwana assume so we have the capability to do it. But bibia no analytical until bibia na to your boss na human say
but from
regional
research director
secretary hopeful also any hopeful time no soon but you hopeful.
Hey Dr. Samuel Free any Dr. Elvis Koka
na me nkasa yi
so
can say 80 I don't know maybe I know call there
so my child kakra case you
oh all right okay
Dr. Sapon money
oh okay
problem more smart looks as a no
we are talking about secretary hopeful NDC regional secretary hopeful
okay so say ochinabi ya sorry na ya te say okwa emane nye nwa
oh
nyanwa
they say nwa because as you speak obeso twa na mo bia so we very calculative now or consulting so we are on the consultation we do na essay contest there we contest they do also na who say young contest there we will back down but okay. For now everything is possible open minded.
Okay, everything is possible. But your baby 4 to 5 minutes now you will come on. Bibia come up as what is so me obi amenso ya me per research pa. Nti nkomo aye di say many jo menya nanke obe maybe 1-2 hours nanka ye dis ankomo. But we will definitely make another time possible for the two of us to meet. Na ye nyabre pa because data no pesi ye share constituency by constituency nyabre di nkomo. Ebi wo ho a offensive north Tepa Ahafano North Nesa areas no questions kakra wa be at the right time no ye be hwe mo research amo ye NDC any de mo ye ahwe because me dey when him say MMDC sin do na about 99% of them and no ye pieces
yes
nti kwa mo do mo call ye no adwuma mo so mo nye no my research wo ho any ade we look at that another time I bet me share no ye this ankomo no nti in 4 minutes minim say bibia kam abeso de so so dia free me ha ba bia no bibia kam wo ho abeso de so.
Oh, so at this point in person me share party phone crying. Say actually so mbu I think for aspirations of
Akoma
getting
FM
something from the government
87.9 Kumasi.
so mpaibɔ na yɛbɔ sɛ ɔmo nto mbo ase na bi papa bɛba ɛna ɛba asanteme mu ha so no adwuma yɛyɛ no ɛnyɛ yɛn nkwa na yɛyɛ adwuma no they are conform about together to help and support that 33 to 34% victory no because we need more this time around we are targeting around 38%. So
38%.
Yes. So yes.
In the next
elections. So in doing that, you cannot ignore the populace within the region. Inti, you perceive adwuma no esu bi aso. It's not about say MPP ni na NDC. Esu bi aso. And you have to have begun. You no man na eba no so see MPP ni kura na ka say economy need to say no let me ka say so far.
Yeah. Oh, I mean I'm admitting. Yeah.
So we are hoping that 2026 will be a good year for the party and for the country. No be being free party and our government as the government has come to stay. And we hope and I pray that in conform also more appointment and support the aspirations of the John Dramani Mahama government. Now by 2028 we should actually see a change. Lastly, acknowledge all the branch executives, all the constituency executives, regional executives, national executives. Obia modern boy abo so far for this 1 year. It's been good. Ebi so enya otwen ho. So we just pray that obia anye no ho anya adwuma. Na ebio yewia election year mu, as internal election year mu. Ye bon pair say obia beto ne bo ase. Campaign is about words. It's about showing yourself as competent to lead.
Yeah.
Enye kasa, enye gidi no afa.
Akoma
We have
87.9 Kumasi.
2028 elections to win. Inti obi anto no boss on the campaign. It shouldn't be campaign of insult. Na enko anim. Madam say.
Meda say
now mama nkabi.
na what can be ya fina me ba ho. Me kra ba me ma kwa ba.
So we ye na ka.
Okay, I ka 2 minutes can. Na
me pese me kaka said Dr. Koka oh. Kono kono. Ye nyina ye be involved. Ye be campaign ama no. Enti adwuma wabo research no very good. O share the background we need people more much more research into research search people no so mo ba no be secretary so be won say adwuma no be bo ni nti Koka duru ho a we hopeful na ye nyina ye de ho bagim me nim ne nkoya hwe mi amaya campaign ni bi ama no
hey
e cha papa no contest ya me yina hwe ho
okay. I see. Nana go see prempe. Nana go see prempe. Where the say you?
Fa ho.
Nana go see prempe. Na kajetia there. Kajetia research.
Elvis kajetia research. Yeah, your politics na kajetia research there.
Nana prempe. Doctor, sorry. Unfortunately, we're sorry. Until me dey baby you. Doc, so promise us obe baby you. Baby you. Oba na ahwe na di aka na so. Nana why? Enye hwe. Kajetia dia no for sure why. Na enuze no ema MPP on popular. Kajetia.
Kajetia is on board to be completed by another year.
Make a first one no.
A first phase okay. Yeah.
And you know, one show na mun complete we nso nka ho. Why? Because Kajetia can one of the key things ema MPP Ashanti region. Oma manage Kajetia yi. You know, mun hwe na mun nyina so kama. Okay, that's it. Pa busiafo Enti Dr. Koka and Otin in Kana in a dim command of pain. Na Ben, good morning. Ben say he's incoming regional secretary, Dr. Good, Dr. Kam. Okay, enti no ye the Tiano Tino. What will be our Kunya ha? Said Dr. Samuel Free. Nasani who position.
Me position the papa be am my. Me ba no biti ha dia. Na ma better fifi. E do say any of people no more special security. Uba na artist wa.
No crack. Hey, na is Alan at the eye white?
Your white or yellow, you know. Say colors, yellow, white, and black.
The yellow need him. Me who white I'm say, hey, now I say Alan.
Yeah, yellow, white, and black.
Oh, okay.
And black with me the white, yeah. I could
Mubet me and move be an ambit me.
Mrs. Yellow, white, and black. It's a chatting the DBV to me the share.
Hey.
But yellow army, no, there, original.
Yellow army.
Yes.
Yellow army.
FM,
I said the answer why D.
No.
Are you enjoying the government?
No, in your deans, I say a party and a yet.